Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make a very iconic Roman pasta dish. Only has 3 ingredients: spaghetti, cacio, and pepe. Alright guys, so the ingredients you're going to need to make this dish are right in front of me. As you can tell, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to need some really finely grated Pecorino cheese, some fresh, whole black peppercorns, and some pasta. In my case, spaghetti. Now let's get to work. Alright guys, so here I've got a pan of boiling water. I'm just going to lightly salt the water. As we're using Pecorino cheese, that tends to be a bit salty in itself, so you just want to balance the dish out a bit. You don't want it too salty. And then you're going to add your spaghetti and cook it for about 50% less than it says on the back of the packet. For example, if it says 8 to 9 minutes, you want to cook the pasta for about 4 to 4.5 minutes. And while the spaghetti is cooking, you're going to grind up your peppercorns nice and fine into a nice powder. You can either use a pestle and mortar like I'm doing here, or you can use a pepper mill. That's your take. And then once you've done that, we're going to now roast the pepper. So you're going to tip the pepper out into a cooled, dry pan, place over medium heat, and roast the pepper for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep a close eye on it, you don't want to burn it. By doing this releases so much flavour, it makes it taste incredible. And while the pepper is just roasting away, doing its thing, don't forget to stir the pasta. And then once the pepper has been well roasted, add 2 ladles of the pasta water to it, and then place the gas over low heat to allow the pepper to properly infuse. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes while we wait for the pasta to cook. And then once the pasta is about halfway there, you're going to add it to the pan with the pepper. But guys, you want to remember to not throw away the pasta water, because my trick is to continue to cook the spaghetti in the sauce, as if it was a risotto. So every so often you want to add a small ladle of your pasta water to the pan and keep stirring. And you want to continue doing this until the pasta is perfectly al dente. It's going to probably take about 4 minutes or so, but it all depends on the pasta you're using. Guys, it's such a shame you can't smell this right now, because this smells absolutely incredible. Can you hear that noise? That's exactly what you're looking for. And now at this stage, make sure the gas is turned off, grab the pecorino, and start slowly and carefully sprinkling in the pecorino cheese into the pasta, while simultaneously tossing the pasta so that the cheese properly emulsifies. And you're going to want to use the pasta water to help the cheese melt and turn it into a beautiful cream-like sauce. And that, my friends, is what I'm talking about. As you can see, the cheese has just perfectly melted and emulsified into the sauce, creating a beautiful, luscious, cream-like consistency, which is exactly what we're looking for. And that's all she wrote. This is my recipe on how to make the iconic Roman classic, Cacio e Pepe. If you enjoyed this video or you learned something, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because at the end of the day, it is completely free, and I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys next time. Bye. I'm telling you, you've got to give this a go.